Hi, Tom Snow here again. And in this next series of videos, I'm going to discuss some of the ins and outs of Vidnami, some of the great features. We did a Vidnami example in secret number 2. We did that for survival gear, especially knives. We'll go back to that. We're going to look at that, and we'll look at some others. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at Vidnami. Going to log in. And we're going up into, we're going to go back into my buck knife demo. But let's go back here and let's start where we choose a template. We went through, there's a lot of different possibilities: content video, influencer video, instant ad, sales video, course training, property video. Of course, you can make your own templates. Now, we chose a template back in the original. Let's go to our script. Here's where we inputted our script that we had created from a blog. We can go in and look at line by line. We can edit the script if you want to make changes. We went to scenes, creating from our script, and it automatically puts pictures and videos in, and it makes one scene per script line, which is really cool. So you can make it as long and as short as you want. Kind of really depends on your script, and that's really super. So how long of videos do you need? Some you want long, some you want short. Get to the point. Here's the first scene for that script line. Let's look at the next one, and the next. It automatically puts in pictures or videos. You can see these are short video clips. Each of these things we can go in, and if we don't like what it chooses for us, we can go over here to Find Media, and we can do clips, we can do images, put in any words we want. If we didn't want hunting, if we wanted camping. It can be anything we want. And we can find pictures for camping. Now we're going to go back, since it is the word hunting, but just showing you what we can do. Uploads. We can upload our own pictures, and we can use that. We can upload clips. We can upload images. Here we uploaded some buck knife images that we're going to use in here. We go down scene by scene, and it chooses for us automatically, which is great. And like I say, we can replace anything we want. That just gives us all the power that we need. We'll come back. We're going to show you some of the different things we can do here with fonts and different things. We'll do that later. This is just a basic overview. Then we're going to get into some of the fine points. So we do all of these scenes. Here's where we imported the buck knife scene images, more buck knife images we got from their site. Back to buck knife images that we brought in. Another picture from buck. We're going to sell, we want to be an affiliate for buck. That's if we want to do that, and anything we want to do. So that was how we did it. We're not going to cover voice right now. That'll be another one. We move to preview. Sometimes these can be quick. Sometimes it can take a few minutes. Depends how many scenes you have. It's also running on the cloud, which is great because it stores it for you on the cloud. But at the same time, you have internet speed things. It tells you it's 0, beginning and goes up to 39 seconds for those scenes. Later we're going to come back and see another one of these on manual adjust timing, super powerful stuff. We went over here and we were able to choose different musics. I mean, there's 30,000 music tracks, so heck of a lot of stuff. You can actually search by moods, by genre, any kind of music you want. So we originally chose simplicity. We'll stick with that for the moment. We're going to learn later about watermarks and other options. I'm not going to do that right now. My music means we can upload music. There are so many features of what we can do. When we're done, we can say looks good, continue, and it will prepare that video for us. We can change the definition from a 720p to a 1080p. We already chose the 720. We already generated the video, so I'm not going to redo that one this second. So I'm going to show you the video, and let's take a look at the finished video. So today we scratched the surface on what Vidnami can do. We're just looking at the basics. We're going to spend other days and other videos reviewing some of the finer details. This is exciting stuff that you can create wonderful, amazing videos. And you saw that. Like, how great is that you can create a video like that in a matter of minutes? I mean, most other software takes you hours and usually days. You don't have to put your face in there. You don't have to have your voice in there. You can create what you want. Okay, well, thanks for being here today. Be sure to click on my subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming videos that are released. To your success.